J. Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So we have completed our PT3. Okay, I hope all of you have done very well. Okay, fine. Now we will start our term second syllabus. Okay, so we already started the percentage chapter, but I will not means I will not extend from the last topic. I will just revise the chapter because there is a lot of gap between the. So uh, let's start to revise. Okay, so percentage means out of 100. Okay, and we have started from 143 page. In exercise 9.1 we have see that see on the screen also you can see a square grid is made up of 100 small squares. Okay, and colorful shade colorful parts is we have to write in shade. Okay, so you have to write here how many parts shaded and how many unshaded. Get it? Now next. So in B question, the percentage is given. That means the part which is shaded is given. So you have to shade it with the colorful pencil. So already we have done this. Okay, so it is 100 small square and 70 small squares you have to color. Okay, and same here in 33 and 92 also. Now symbol for percent. So percentage symbol is just like this one. See here. Okay, slash and two zeros we have to give here. So see, if we have to represent 50 upon 100, that means 50%. So we have to write such like this. See here. Okay. Okay. Now next topic is our exercise 9.2. In 9.2 the fraction is given. See, this fraction is in 100 denominator. Okay, we have to represent them as a percent. Suppose this is 33 upon 100, right now? So it is 33%. 25 upon 100, that means 25%. 1 upon 100 means 1%. 9 upon 100 means 9%. Then 98 upon 100 means 98%. Then 1 upon 20. Now see here, it is not the denominator 100, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So we get here it is 5, 1 or 3. I'm sorry, it is 3, not 1. So 3 5 are 15 and 20 multiplied by 5 we get 100. That is sorry, 100 upon 15. Okay, so just 1 second. 100 upon 15. Okay, so now also you have to I think from 11 to 18 the denominator is not 100, so we have to convert them into equivalent fraction, and then we have to take denominator as 100 and then you have to write in percent. Suppose I have taken 3 upon 5, so we have to multiply 5 by 20, so 23 are 60 and 5 multiplied by 20 we get 100. That is 20 into 3 we get 60%. Okay, now let's start our exercise 9.3. Okay, I think it is in the second document. Just check. Okay, fine. It is now changing the percentage to decimals. Okay, no, decimal. It is our next topic. 9.3 is changes the percentage into fraction. पहले हम तो फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसको डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 9.4 also, this one. Okay, so 25%, that means 25 upon 100. Okay, it is so easy. 5% means 5 upon 100. One more thing, do you remember simplification of fractions? अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को हम किसी एक नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं तो हम कर सकते हैं, सो दैट वी कैन इजीली फॉर्म इट इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. सपोज वी हैव टेकन 5 अपॉन 100, सो 5 और 100 को किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? 5 से. 5 1 the 5 and 100 divided by 5 we get 20. Okay, so it is 1 upon 20. Let's take the other example. 64 upon 100. So it should be divisible by 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 24. Okay, and 100 को 4 से divide करें तो 25. That means 24 upon 25. 79 upon 100, so it is not divisible, so write as it is. Same here, 11%, that is 11 upon 100, it is not divisible by any number except 1, so write as it is. Okay, if it is divisible and can be simplified, then only you can simplify, otherwise you have to write as it is. Get it? Fine. So let's see the next topic. It is 9.5. Here the change the following percentage to decimal. हमें percentage को किस में convert करना है आप? Decimal में. Okay, so just give me 1 minute so that we can check whether we have solved here or not. Otherwise I will take the next document. Fine, it is 8.3. Okay, this is 9.4. just we discussed it. See here, 25%, that is 25 upon 100. So 25 और 100 को हम 25 से divide कर सकते हैं, so it should be 1 upon 4. Same here 5%, that means 5 upon 100. तो ये दोनों भी 5 से divide कर सकते हैं, तो ये आएगा 1 upon 20. Then next 70 upon 100, so it should be divisible by 10, so it is 7 upon 10. Then 55 upon 100, so it can be divided by 5, so we get 11 upon 20. Then 64 upon 100, so it can be divisible by 4, so it is 16 upon 25. Then 79 upon 100, is it 79 upon 100? As it is, because 79 और 100 को 1 के सिवा किसी से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, तो हम वो सेम ऐसे कैसे रखेंगे, राइट? Sorry, 11 upon 100, so it is, you have to write as it is. Okay, so 2 upon 100, so we have to divide it by 2, so it is 1 upon 15. 33 upon 100, we have to write as it is, and 37 upon 100, it will be remain as it is. Okay, fine. So let's see our exercise 9.5. Change the following percentage into decimals. First of all, okay, see here we have to convert this into decimals. Fine. Yeah, it is converted into fraction, but we have to convert it into decimal. So I will explain here and give the screenshot of this on display. I will give this exercise one more time, because I have converted into fraction, but we have to convert it into decimal. So see here, 6 upon 100, that is 0.06. 32%, that is 0.32. Then 90%, it is 0.90. 1 upon 100, 0.01. 3 upon 100, 0.03. 65 upon 100, 0.65. 99 upon 100, that is 0.99. 70 upon 100, that is 0.70. Okay, 22.5 upon 100, that is 0.225. Okay, so I will give this exercise screenshot. I will solve it and forward it tomorrow. Okay, or the next time whenever our class is there. Okay, whenever I display the video, I will once again solve this exercise 9.5. Okay, yeah. Next exercise 9.6. Change the decimals as percentage. So see here, to convert the decimal into fraction, multiply it by the 100. Suppose it is 0.52, so 0.52 means 52 upon 100. Okay, that is 52%. Get it? Just 1 second.